Guys, KGO is here. So today I'm going to show you how to get out of the boot loop, which is mean how to stop being stuck on the Apple logo. First of all, when your iPhone, iPad, or iPod are stuck on the Apple logo, what you have to do is to click on the power button at the same time of clicking on the home button. Okay, so you're gonna click like this until it will turn off. Okay, and then you will wait until it will turn on again, and for the last time it will turn off. So this time you are going to click on the volume up, this one. Wait, I'm going to focus, you son of a bitch, focus, dickhead. Okay, not problem. There's no problem. Okay, so you're gonna click on the volume up button the same time of clicking on the power button. Sorry, power button. Yes. So let's just do it like this. Then it will turn off. And then you just stay clicking on the volume up button. Make sure that you will not stop clicking on it. It's painful. So yes, maybe it will work now. Okay, I stopped clicking on the volume up button. Sorry, my iPad is broken because my iPhone 6s is not jailbroken. Okay, I just want to use it, and it's not jailbroken. Yay, it's my face. So wait. Okay, here is it. It's the iPad now. It's working. So thanks guys for watching. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. And peace!